Welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video and turn on the notification bell. Okay, federal government led by President Bola Tinubu has dragged uh, state governors Alex Otti, Uzodinma, and the rest to Supreme Court over LGA's autonomy. Okay, now I'm going to share this news here and what is happening and the reason federal government decided to sue the state governors to Supreme Court. But before we go to that, please do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, like this video and turn on the notification bell. Now, according to Punch newspaper said the federal government has instituted a legal action against governors of the 36 states of the Federation at the Supreme Court over alleged misconduct in the administration of local government areas. He said the LG in the suit mark SC/CV/363/2024, which was filed by the Attorney General of the Federation, Minister of Justice, Prince Lateef Fagbemi San, is seeking full autonomy of local government areas in the country as the third tier of government. Now, why did they decide to do this? Remember that all this thing has been happening. Governors have been in charge of the funds meant for local government for a long time, since 1999. Since now, in the democracy return to Nigeria, these people have been taking advantage of local governments. So what is the reason, or what are the reasons the federal government of today decided to take this action, legal action, against the state governments or state governors? Now, according to the news, that Vanguard said he specifically prayed the apex court to issue an order prohibiting state governors from embarking on unilateral, arbitrary, and unlawful dissolution of democratically elected local government leaders. That's number one. The second one is the government also prayed for the order permitting the funds standing in the credit of the local government to be directly channeled to them from the federation account, in line with provision of the constitution against the alleged unlawful joint account created by the government. Let me say this one. Now, all this while, we have local government funds, allocations from the federal account. Now, that the federal government always disburse every month. But you know that there's in each state created joint account with local government in the state. For example, if you come into Imo State, we have 23 local government in Imo State. So those 23 local governments have is joint account. They have joint account with the state government. Thereby, the state government is the one receiving money on behalf of the local government, and then the state government can decide that they are not giving the local government leaders the money meant for them, and there's nothing you can do because local government is under the state. That is what is happening. So now the federal government is praying praying the apex court to dissolve that, so that each local government will have their own account with federal government, no longer joint account with state government. Another one say beside, LG is praying for LG prayed to the Supreme Court for an order stopping governors from further constituting caretaker committees to run the affairs of local government against the constitutionally recognized and guaranteed democratic system. We have in many states they conduct they don't even have what they call it. They don't even have Many states don't even have elected local government chairman. For example, in Imo State, let me go to Imo State during the time of what was his name? Rochas Okorocha. There was nothing like that. All the people that took care of Imo State local government areas were caretaker committees. But then we go to River State, I think Wike conducted the election in his own state. And we have other state governors that conducted most of them operate on caretakers. I think Alex Otti is operating with caretaker committees. Alex Otti have not conducted local government elections. So this is one of the reasons why the federal government is suing the Alex Otti, Hope Uzodinma, what's his name, Sanwo-Olu, and other state governors to Supreme Court. Now another one, he said it equally applied for an order of injunction restraining the governors, their agents, and privies from receiving, spending, or tampering with funds released from the federal account for the benefit of the local government, which, when no democratic elected local government system was put in place in the state. Another one, then they said the governors of the 36 states were sued through their respective attorney general. So this is a very big case. All the state governments have been sued through the attorney general. So this is the time for them to go and defend. One, if I love what Tinubu is doing right now, I love this particular thing, suing all these people. Because how can you stay, you don't conduct local government election in your state, and you're operating with caretaker committees. Secondly, the funds meant for local government leaders, state governors will seize it and be spending the money on their own. They will decide to give the local government a crumb, or they share crumbs to local governments in their states. So the federal government want to put an end to it, and also put an end of governors spending unnecessarily money meant for local government chairman. Now, you know that this time around, before now, even as we are talking, as you're watching this video, state governors don't even allow their local government. Most local government chairmen, child leaders don't even engage in projects because they don't have funds. So governors are the ones going to this local government to execute projects, thereby rendering these local government leaders incapacitated. Some of them are useless. Let me use that word. Some of them are useless in their respective local governments. So federal government want to put an end to it so that the local government chairman will also know how to start planning for themselves. So this is what is happening. And everybody, when you're elected, you serve your tenure as a local government chairman, not the governor interfering, trying to remove you and bring somebody to replace you. No. Before you are removed, at least your council, there will be an impeachment from your council. The council leaders, they are the one that will impeach you. Their council assembly will be the one impeaching you, not local state governor will decide one day to remove you because he have all the power. So now, I just pray the Supreme Court of Nigeria do the right thing. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video everywhere, because people need to watch this, that Alex Otti, Hope Uzodinma, Fobara, Sanwo-Olu, and other state governors have been sued by the federal government of Nigeria. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.